Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make a dairy-free cauliflower cheese. First, boil some cauliflower until it's a bit al dente and put to one side. Then for the ingredients for the cheese sauce, I'm going to use some vegan cheese, an alternative to butter which is dairy-free, some oat milk, some flour, pepper and some English mustard. Now for the sauce, use about a tablespoon of the dairy-free butter, well, dairy-free spread we should call it. Into that add a dessert spoon of flour, it can be self-raising or plain, some pepper, then in we go with about 200 millilitres of the oat milk, or you could use soya milk. I'm doing the all-in-one white sauce method, so just put on the heat and simmer gently and stir continuously. Once your sauce has thickened, add a teaspoonful of the English mustard. You can use whole grain as well, that gives it quite a good texture, but that's up to you. In we go now with a few slices of the vegan cheese, and we mix this until it's all fully blended. This is a great alternative for anybody with any dairy intolerance as well. When everything is blended, you can pour it over your cauliflower. Now be careful because this is very, very hot. Now you can cook it in the centre of your oven, gas mark 5 or 190 degrees Celsius for about half an hour until golden brown like this. Then it's time to serve up and enjoy. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this alternative to cauliflower cheese. Please like and subscribe, and if possible, leave your comments. Thank you, and see you again soon.